It's Cabin Eve. Finally. The cabin is in Labrador. Coming across the Big Land. And although it's a beautiful, beautiful day here today, we've had spectacular weather the last 4 or 5 days. The cabin kit won't get here till tomorrow morning. And the weather is going to be a different story then. Wouldn't you know it? The cabin is finally going to be arriving on site here, and Mother Nature says, hang on now, I'm going to throw a tropical storm at you. After all the nice weather we've just been having here, we have a major rainstorm coming, and the highest kind of winds right next to hurricane actually. So tomorrow morning is when you'll see this camera on next. We'll be trying to unload the truck, the materials, before the storm strikes. And then we're just gonna hurry up and wait, because we can't do anything until after that storm passes. And that's supposed to be about 2.5 days long. But guess what? The cabin kit is gonna be here. And as soon as that storm passes by, I'm sure the sun will come out and we're going to start cracking around it then. I got a bunch of fellows, a bunch of buddies already lined up. The owner of the company is in here. It's going to be exciting few days. And it's going to be exciting from now on actually, because we're going to be putting up the walls, the roof. The cabin is a go. Woo! Okay, they had to shift things around here. A whole lot of talk going back and forth between the two companies there, and they seem like they really know what they're doing. And we're trying to beat this storm. Rain has already started. I know the road was flooded on the way down in at least one place. So just trying to get this stuff unloaded before the big storm comes. Let the guys go at it there. There she goes, guys, the first lift. This is Dean, by the way. What do you call yourself? President? CEO? Owner of the company? Just Dean. He's the guy I've been dealing with now, all the way along. He's a good guy. So anyway, he's here today helping us sling the stuff right off the cabin. Dean tells me this is actually the first load of logs, and all those gray with the black trim, they're all the logs, and that's the main component. Oh boy, we better hurry up. That storm is coming. Well, we're getting down to the wire there now, so just a couple lifts of plywood and the last 2 lifts of logs, and these are the logs. And strategically all laid out just so we can run. And guess what? The floor didn't collapse yet. I'm happy about that. And we're actually locked out on regards to lots of rain coming, but hardly a bit of wind. Oh man, I'm so happy over that. All right, that's pretty much a wrap there now. I'm just so happy everything is finally underground. So we're going to sign off today. We're going to ride out this storm, and as soon as the sun pops back out, myself and Dean are coming down, and we're going to get right at it. And he's going to explain it to me, and it sounds awfully exciting. Awful good. So what I'm going to get you to do...
Oh my!
Oh yeah. But first of all, are you happy these logs are off? Are you as happy as what I am?
Oh, tremendous day.
Tremendous day.
Tremendous day.
Long day getting here. Yeah. Few hardships along the way, but everything happens for a reason. And I know I'm happy, that's for sure. And we got all of our logs here now. It's all good to go.
And it's all delivered between the showers.
Oh, yeah. We never got a bit wet. That's the first lie we told.
All looking good.
Yep. Anyway, I get you to help me out now. So what you got to do is at the end of the video, I always say the same line. And your line is going to be, and we'll see you next time.
Oh my Jesus.
Okay?
Oh my.
All right, you ready? Are you ready?
We'll see you next time.
And we'll see you next time.
I think you had your father doing. Let's do it one time.
Yes, I did have my dad doing it. All right. So until next time, guys, take care of each other, get outside, and enjoy everything outdoors.
And we'll see you next time.
Guaranteed.
Oh my.